it's all stuck together. Oh God, you're doing really well on this unboxing, Sarah. Yeah, pat on the back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I've got the NYX Beauty Advent Calendar. I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys, and I'm super excited because I absolutely love NYX. So this is what the package looks like. As you can see, it is a cube, and on the top it just says Love, Lust, Disco, 24 days Advent Calendar, greatest hits, mixed surprise. It's got, yeah, super fun packaging. I really like this. I bought it for £45 online. I believe it's £50 if you buy it in the store. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what's inside. So without further ado, should we get started? Alright there, love. Number one. Give you a little sneak peek. Look! Oh, it is so cute. Look. Oh, I'm impressed already. Okay, so this is the, is that suede? Matte lipstick in the shade. Okay, it's in the shade STFU. Shut the up. I like that. Pill here. Oh, it's not that easy when you've got nails on, love. Right, where's tool number 2? Ah. Okay, so we have a foil play cream pigment, and it is called Malice. So door number 3, we have got the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, and that again is in the shade STFU. So a lovely purple shade there to go with the first lipstick that we got. Really like that. Door number 4. Ooh, this looks good. If I can get it out.
That's the problem.
Right, okay, so door number 4, we've got this Candy Slick Glowy Lip Colour, and it is in the shade Jawbreaker. That is some super cute little packaging as well. Oh, that's a really big one. That's what they all say. What's this? Oh, it does not need to be that big. Oh, that's kind of deceiving. Oh wow, guys, we've got a makeup brush. Oh, I really like that. That is so soft. Oh, that's beautiful. So it just says NYX Professional Makeup number 17. Number 6. Lucky I had some tweezers on me. Okay, so door number 4, we have got a plumping lip polish. It's called Filler Instinct, and it is in the shade Brunch Drunk, and it is this absolutely stunning glittery rose gold. The packaging is really pretty too. That's all in rose gold and white. Yeah, I really like the look of that. So that one is called Brunch Drunk. Number 7. Anyone else watch that? Strictly Come Dancing. 7. Where's my little guitar? Ooh, that's such a pretty shade. Okay, so we've got an eyeshadow here, and it is called Heat Chula. Or is it Heat Chaleur? Alexa, how do you pronounce the word CHOOLA? A-L-E-U-R.
I pronounce that chowder, but I'm always working on how I say things and I might not have it right.
I don't think you say it like that. Heat shala. Heat shala. It's like a coppery, like a coppery brown colour. That is really pretty. Okay, so door number 8, we have got a retractable lip liner, and that is in the shade Nude. It's really pretty, I like that. Door number 9. Oh, this is big. Oh, this is Slip Tease, and it is a lip lacquer in the shade Strawberry Whip. Oh, I wonder if it smells like strawberries. Oh, that's deceiving. It smells like After Eights or matchsticks. No, it smells more like matchsticks. That's crazy. Why have they called it Strawberry Whip and then scented it mint? 10. Haha, number 10. We have got, oh, a metallic eyeliner in gunmetal. Oh, that is nice. Oh, guys, it shouldn't be this hard. That's it. I'm not doing any more unboxings after this. The trouble with the Debenhams one as well the other day, didn't I? To get a knife out of my kitchen drawer. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave it up there. Have a watch. Yes. Yes. Didn't let it beat me. It is so pretty. This is going to be absolutely perfect for like a New Year's Eve smoky eye. Yeah, that is stunning. It's got little flecks of glitter in it, but it is a gunmetal. So pretty. Yeah, that is going to work wonders for a smoky eye. I can't even see the opening to this one. Oh, there you are. God, they have hidden these well. Oh. So this is a liquid suede metallic matte, and it's actually got like a little crystal on the top. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, and here we bloody go again. Get the packaging open. In shade Biker Babe. Wow. Oh, I like that. That is definitely metallic. That is definitely giving me like vampy vibes. Like, that is stunning. Oh, yeah. Good name choice as well. Biker Babe. Stunning. I like that. Number 12, we have got this cute little tin. It says hashtag this is everything. Lip loving balm. Okay, so we've got a lip balm. Smells quite nice. There we go, nice little red. Smells sweet. It's a big one. Oh, cool. No! Actually just landed in my blusher drawer anyway, so that was a bit of luck, wasn't it? And it's not broken. Oh, okay. So we've got a duochrome illuminating powder, and this is in the shade Snow Rose. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, can you see that? It's got like little pinky purple reflexes. Oh, I am a sucker for this. Okay, so number 14, we have got a inner eyeliner in the shade Obsidian. Quite nice. Like that. Can't go wrong with a black eyeliner. Is that black? The tip looks navy. I I don't think that's black. That is not black. That's navy. Oh, you don't get many navy eyeliners. Haha, nearly fooled me there, because it's called faux blacks. Oh, fake black. That's what that means. No, I get it. What a div. It's navy and it's called faux black. I was a bit slow then, wasn't I? Yeah, no, it's in the shade Obsidian. That I really like. Ah, you little tricksters there. Door number 15, we have NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen. Bloody hell, the amount of packaging, David Attenborough would have a fit. It looks very similar to the other metallic one. Is this one metallic as well? Yeah, this one's metallic as well. I mean, it feels nice. It does feel really nice. But I feel like the colour is so similar to the last one we had that was metallic. Like, is there really any need to have another one just similar to that? In my opinion, no. Although I think I prefer this one as the texture is a lot smoother. So, door number 16, we have another brush. And this is the number 10 brush. It's got a square top to it. Very soft. And yep, that passes the test. There's no bristles coming out, so that's made really well. Feels lovely. Yeah, okay, that's great. Yeah, so brush number 10. So door number 17, we have got Line and Load 2-in-1 Lippy. Show you that there. And this is in the shade Ride or Die. And it is this really chocolatey brown colour. Okay, so door number 18, and we have got a lip scrub. But it's strange. I expected it to be like loose granules, but it's more like a balm. So I'm eager to give that one a try. So door number 19, and we've got Away We Glow liquid highlighter in the shade Gold Rush. I must admit, I'm not a fan of a liquid highlighter. I prefer powders. This is pretty though. It's a very, very pretty shade. I'm just not that much of a fan of liquid, so I don't know if I'm actually going to use that. But nevertheless, it's still a very nice product. So door number 20, we have Cosmic Metals. It's a lip cream in the shade Metropolitan Night. And that colour is absolutely stunning. That with the liquid highlighter, they match so nicely. Oh, actually, do you know what? I am going to use that liquid highlighter and I'm going to use this lip cream at the same time because they are stunning together. Yep, I really like that. 21, we've got a mascara and it is called Worth the Hype. It is a volumizing and lengthening mascara in the shade Black. Oh, 22's here. What's this? Glitter Goals liquid lipstick in the shade Shimmery. Wow, that colour. It's red. On the packaging, I thought it was going to be like a gold colour, but that's red. Oh, smells amazing. Like buttercream. Oh, that's good. Not expect it to be that colour. Okay, 23. Oh, okay, so we've got another glitter. I love glitter. Oh, that's pretty. So this is Face and Body Glitter. And it says Glitter Brilliance. Oh, it's in the shade Bronze. Yeah, this is stunning. So for New Year's Eve, I normally go for like a glittery, smoky eye. And this is going to be amazing for that. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use some of the other products in here as well. I think I'm going to make a really nice, like really outgoing look. So that's what I tend to do anyway for New Year's. I always go that bit extra. And yeah, I'm going to use that. I really, really like it. Oh, and the last one, number 24. I love doing these unboxings. Let me know in the comments below. Do you enjoy watching me do these unboxings? Because I am loving it. Let me know if you want to see more. Okay, so for number 24, the last one, we have got another lipstick, and this is in French Made. I feel like half this video, more than half this video, has been me trying to open the bloody packaging. That's how you use new packaging. Oh, that's one that you can put on your lips and you can wear it all night. That is not going to cause any irritation. That is like buttery soft. Guys, that's it. We've opened every door. That's all 24 doors opened. I'm really impressed with it. When you think about it, this calendar costs £45 and we got 24 products in it. So that works out like £1.87 for each product. That's a bargain. That's really, really good. We've got some really nice little bits in there. So we've got a mascara, we've got about 6 lipsticks, we've got lip liners, we've got eyeliners, we've got glitter, we've got a highlighter. We've got quite a bit in here. So when you work it out at £1.87 each, that is well worth the money. Yeah, so anyway, that is it. We've completely unboxed this one. I really, really liked it. If you haven't already done so, please do hit the subscribe button and the little bell that's next to it, and that just lets you know every time I upload. And I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah! Is it unlucky to open advent calendars early?